Hi, my name is Chris Cunningham. I run Cunningham Wood Work, and I'm not making eye contact with you. As you can see, I'm wearing some new shades. Anyway, I just wanted to step on here and introduce myself. I run Cunningham Wood Work, as I just said. My name is Chris Cunningham, and I make things. I make weird things. I find things that I want to do. I want to build. Every great once in a while I do a client build, and it restricts me to the point to where I dread it every time. But sometimes you have family and you have friends. You want to do a nice thing. Annoying or not, you do it because deep down you're a nice guy. On the surface, that might be different. But I like to build things. I like to make things. I like to experiment. I like to do things that I've never done before, hence the sunglasses. Never did anything like this before, ever. I tell you what's weird is talking to the iPhone here when the camera is here. I am looking at myself because I'm a narcissist. Funny thing about narcissism is how many people accuse people of being narcissists, but then they take selfies. Lots of them. Kind of funny to me. So anyway, my page, my channel, it's all about me. It's all about just things that I build. It's all about having fun. I hope I can express that better in the future because I don't think I'm too good at doing it now. But this is me. This is my trailer for my channel. I hope you like me. I hope you like what I build. And feel free to give me suggestions. I'll probably delete them and I won't listen to you. I'll just build what I want because that's what I do because this is my hobby. It's not yours. It's my hobby, not yours. But feel free to thumbs down and trash me. I don't care. I don't have feelings anymore. I have 2 kids. I don't have feelings. Anyway, there you have it. That's me, Chris Cunningham. Cunningham Wood Work. Enjoy the show.